worried about the confusion between modular homes and mobile homes and how it affects your investment and living experience? In this video, we'll tackle the key difference, addressing concerns about structural integrity, customization, and safety, especially critical for hurricane-prone areas. Get the information you need to make the best investment for you and your family. Let's dive in. My name is Marc Devisse. Welcome back to the Tri-Town Construction channel, where we are rebuilding Southwest Florida one home at a time. The key difference between modular and mobile homes. Mobile homes are like a vehicle. They have a title. They do not have a deed like a modular home. Modular homes are built to the 2023 building code, 180 mile wind rating, hurricane rated windows and doors. They are built similar to a on-site traditional home build. Once the job is done, once the homes are built, you can't say this is a modular and this is a typical home. No, they're both single family homes at that point. With a mobile home, that's not the case. They're not built to the 2023 building code. They have a different code that they follow. They're not a permanent structure. So most mobile homes are set on top of a block, a few blocks, and then strapped into the ground. They're not part of the foundation. They can be moved easily. They can be changed. They are not a single family home or the same as a single family home, the way that they're built. I would never recommend anyone staying in a mobile home during a category 2 storm or up. With a modular home, these homes are built for 180 mile an hour wind rating. I'm not suggesting riding out a hurricane in Southwest Florida. They are dangerous. You do the best for your family. But with a mobile home, I would never dream of having someone stay during a hurricane. With modulars, they're built like typical homes, and strength-wise, they can last 180 mile an hour plus winds. A big difference between mobile home and modular is the foundation. There is very limited foundation with a mobile home. We've seen them on blocks, 3-4 blocks stacked on top of each other. The weight of the mobile home keeps them in place, and then they have these big tie downs that go into the ground. This is a temporary setup. This is not something that's permanent. Modular homes, these are footers in the ground, columns coming out, poured concrete, and these are strapped in for a permanent solution. Construction and quality. So if you've ever been in a mobile home and you walk around, you can usually feel the floor indent or move, or I know I'm a pretty big guy, so it happens to me, but even smaller individuals, the home is just not as strong as modular homes. When you walk into a modular home, it's sturdy. You're not moving, you're not denting or indenting the floor, moving around. There's no squeaking going on with the wind. These homes are built strongly. So 180 mile an hour wind rating, these things are very well built. A common misconception that modular is mobile home. That is not the case whatsoever. Built to totally different codes, built in totally different manners. Now, there's a place for mobile homes. They're much less expensive. They're right for some people. But modular and mobile are not the same. Safety and durability. Mobile homes are not built to the 2023 building code. They have their own way of building. They usually have vinyl siding, very thin walls. They're built for cost and speed. They're not meant for hurricane rated 180 mile an hour wind rating. When you resell a mobile home, you have to say it's a mobile home. It is not a single family residence. When you're building with modular, once the home is built, there is no difference between the traditional way it was built and a modular way that it was built. So when you're reselling it, you don't have to say, or there's nothing differentiating the modular to traditional built home. These things are built strong. These homes are built strong, 180-mile wind rating. They are meant for hurricane-prone areas like we have in Southwest Florida. There's many cases around Florida and the country where these modulars were built after a storm and have survived through new storms. The older homes aren't doing that. So modular is a fantastic way of building. It's more quick and more efficient, and the price is a little bit less than on-site built, but the advantages far outweigh, and it's just a really great way of building. Cost and value between mobile and modular. Mobile homes are a lot less expensive. They're just not built in the quality ways that modular is. So they're right for some people. They could be half the price of mobile homes, but they're not going to appreciate like modular homes do. They're never going to be a single family residence. They're going to always be labeled mobile home. Many people don't want mobile homes. They're not as safe during a hurricane. These things are not built to 2023 building code. Modular homes are built to withstand 180-mile-an-hour plus winds. They've got hurricane rated windows and doors, metal roof. These things are built to survive hurricane prone areas, and appreciation is there. People feel safe. They want to invest in modulars. They want to use them as vacation rentals or family vacation places. They are an extremely well built product. There's been a common misconception about customization with modular homes. I've seen less customization allowed in mobile homes. These things are built. There's ABC model, and you can pick some paint colors and mix it around a little bit. With modulars, everything is customizable. Kitchen layout, wall sizes, room sizes, paint colors, cabinetry, countertops, flooring. Everything can be picked from a local Home Depot if that's what you want, or local store, and they will order it from that store and have it ready in their factory for when the home gets on the assembly line. So that's been a huge feature, a huge plus for clients who have heard, modular, I don't want to look like my neighbor's house. I don't want it to be exactly the same. These can be fully customizable inside and out. Huge draw for modular, and a huge misconception that's out there that they can't. Living experience and comfort. A lot of times mobile homes are not sealed right. There's creaking, cracking, there's movement. There's a lot of AC that escapes from the gaps. They're just not energy efficient. With modular homes, when they're built in a controlled environment, the cuts are straight. The walls are not, pieced together in a way that would allow air to get through some holes. These are sealed very well. It relates to energy efficiency. They're putting in ream units that are very efficient. All the ductwork is pre-installed, so there's, it's done in a way where there's quality control and there's no rips in the AC or ductwork anywhere or tape repairs. These homes are, energy efficient, sealed properly, hurricane rated. You're not going to get that creaking or sounds when the wind is strong. Oh, is this house going to, blow over? There's none of that with modular. These are very well built homes, especially for our environment here in Southwest Florida. I gave you a great overview of modular homes versus mobile homes. That's why I filmed an entire series that goes deeper into each one of these topics. Click the video that's on your screen right now and let's start your journey.